So I get on calls with people all the time and I'm like, how can we help you? And they're like, I need AI. Like, what about it? I don't know, but I need it. And they were buying all of them because they said, I need AI in my business.
AI tools are everywhere, and pest control operators are being pitched on them constantly. So, how does an operator cut through the noise and figure out what is actually worth implementing versus what is just hype?
This was part of a big shift that we made recently, shifting from product to more of a service. Owners were just getting bombarded with all these different AI products. Our goal now as we move forward is to really help owners navigate through that. But as far as like cutting through the noise and figuring out what you really need, I think it really comes down to getting good, really good for business owners at knowing what you want done. What is the task? Then you can look at the tools and understand, okay, I need this or I don't need that.
If I'm an operator and I'm trying to assess where is AI actually going to be useful in my business,
I think a lot of it now comes from like a shift because AI is so capable, right? It's a shift from as an owner, it used to be I need to hire people to do everything. And now there's this shift where there's actually AI that can do some of those things. And so you don't want to replace everybody on your team with AI, but you want to look at the gaps that you have and the tasks that you need to get done and see if AI can supplement that. For companies that are just, how can I use AI? I think all of the standard, like available public cloud-based LLMs like ChatGPT, Claude, Manus, Perplexity, like those are great ways to get started in AI, right? Just start using AI for something, whether it's to help you build your SOPs or to plan out some marketing. Then you can look at gaps in your business. So a lot of people, first thing now that they come to us for is like after hours, right? I'm missing calls or I'm not responsive to leads. So your speed to lead aspect is what you're trying to fix. We can implement agents to do those things. Collections, past due balances, agents that can follow up on those things. It used to like, I have to hire a person to just do this one thing. And now all we need to do is look at the gaps and we say, okay, AI can do this piece. Just look for the gaps and try to use it where you can.